Welcome to Shikshanave Shakti Spardha Creative Coaching Center, Shimoga. In the last class, we have seen about a noun. This class, we are going to see about a pronoun. Yes, pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun are the words which are used instead of a noun. Once again, pronouns are the words which are used instead of a nouns, or we say it is a replace of a noun. Let's see. Words. The words which comes under the pronoun, let's see. He, she, it, is, him, they, my, mine, himself, herself, maybe, they, them. These are all the words which comes under the pronouns. Let's see some examples related to the pronoun. For example, Raju drives a bus. Raju, already in the last class we have learned. Raju is a which form? It is in a noun form, is it? How to translate for the pronoun? We are using the word he. Why he? Because Raju is a male. You have to, in the pronoun, you have to understand the genders, male as well as the female. You have to understand that. According to that only we can do here. Raju drives a bus. Here Raju is a male, so we are using the pronoun he. He drives a bus. How to see, children? Raju drives a bus. Raju is in a noun form. While translating to the pronoun, we have to use a he. The second one, Reena is a dancer. Reena is a female gender. What we call, we use the pronouns there. We use the pronoun she. She is a dancer. Some more examples I'll say for you. Raju and Ravi went to theatre. We are using the gender there we. We went to theatre because two members are there. So we are using the pronoun there we. This all comes under the pronouns. Further detail we can see in a personal pronoun. Okay children, the pronouns are divided into the different kinds. In that I am taking the only one part, that is the first one, personal pronoun. In the personal pronoun there are forms of personal pronoun. You have heard I think about a first person, second person and a third person. Let's see now. First person. Here we are learning the forms of a personal pronoun. In that there is a three persons, first person, second, third person. This is very important for you because the first person will be whom? In the singular as well as in the plural. Even in the second persons will be in the singular, plural, third person. Because if you know this table, we can do any sentences, pronouns maybe, or any sentence very easily. First we have to review the chart. If you review the chart, if you know about the first person, second person and third person only, it is possible to complete the sentences. Let's see now. This is the first person's duty. The pronoun, here the first person, the pronoun used to denote the person speaking. Always this first person will be speaking. Now let's see. Second person, the pronoun the pronoun used to denote a person spoken to. This is a second persons, we called as the second persons, with whom he is speaking to. Now let's go to third person. The pronoun used to denote a person about whom they spoke. The first person duty is he is speaking, he is talking to somebody. Second person, he spoke, he just is talking to others. Here the third person, with what these two persons are talking about, with whom the matter they are going to discuss. This is a third person's duty, we say. He is called as these are all the three persons which comes in a personal pronoun. If you review the chart, we'll come to know what is the first persons in a singular, even in a plural, the second person in a singular as well as the plural, third person in a singular and a plural. Let's form a chart. Now what I am going to do means, using a first person, I am dividing a singular as a plural. Let's see. In the first person, singular who will come? Singular will be I only. No changes. In the first person, the singular will be I. So, singular will be I. But the plural will change. The plural will be we. It is in a first person. The first person, the singular will be I. The plural will be we. If we go to second person, the singular will be you. Same thing, the plural will be you only. No changes. This in the second person, in the second person, the person will be you only. No changes in a singular as well as a plural. Here, who are the third persons? The third persons are he, she, it. Once again, the third persons are in the singular he, she, it. Let's write he, she, it. But in the plural, we all call for them they. In the plural will be changed they. This is about a singular and a plural using a first person, second person and a third person. Now another chart will prepare using a objective, possessive as well as a subjective. Let's review the chart. Children, you can see why this miss has drawn this chart or like this table. Why? Because it is easy for you to understand how these personals will come in a subjective, objective as well as in a possessive. Let's start now. Okay. The first person in a singular, I told for in the last class, will be I only. Plural will be we. It is in a subjective, but in a objective it will change. In a objectives, it will be me. In the plural, it will be us. Possessive. Possessive means what? Possessive means it is used to show the ownership. It is used to show the ownership. Me comes. Again, we are writing it is singular I came. In a subjective, objective me came. In a possessive, it is coming my. My. Another one is mine. It is in a singular form. Let's see in the plural form. Same thing, the possessive will change. That will be our. Another one is ours. The singular will be in the subjective I only. Objective me. Possessive mine and mine. These all things belongs to I only. I means myself only. The next one is in the plural. We got the plural form will be in the first person we. In the objective will be us. Possessive will be our, ours. If you want to understand briefly, we'll do some examples of later on. Okay? Let's see the second person. Who is the second person? The second person is you. You. In the singular also you. Even the plural also you. Let's go to the objective. Objectives will be same as it is because here no changes. You only. In the possessive, it changes your, yours. Again, in a plural form, same thing. Your, yours. You can view your second person. Second person is not changing. Second person will be you only. No changes. Even in a singular as well as in a plural. Let's see the third person. Who is the third person? The third person is he, she and it. He, she, it. In a singular form. In a singular form, he, she, it. Okay. But the plural will change. I told for you, plural will be they. It is in subjective. But in objective, children, you have to understand, he is a male, she is a female. He, in the objectives we are using as a him. Next, she, we are writing, objectives will be her. Again, it will be as it is, no changes in a objectives. But in a plural form, they will be them. In the plural form, they will be them. In objective voice, let's see now in a possessive. In a possessive, in a singular is he, the possessive will be his. Same thing, she is in a subjective in a singular, but in a possessive it will be hers. The last one is it. It will be its. It is in a singular form. If you go to the plural form, they will be their, theirs. Children, if you know this is the table which help us to know everything, and even to it make us to understand very easily. Because if you know a first person, second person using a singular, even a second person, third person using a singular, it is very helpful for you. Let's see some more examples using this possessive, subjective as well as objective. Already I have drawn the chart. You have understood about the chat. That is the personal pronoun using a first person, second person. Let's solve the examples using these persons. Can you join me? Yeah. I am a boy. The first one is I am a boy. I told for you first person who will be, second person who will be. Can you join? Yes. I is a, you have to underline for I. Why I? Because I is a first person. These all examples I am doing means you can understand better in the sentences. I is a first person. He is in a which one form? It is in a singular form. The second one, we are happy. We are happy. Which is the first person here? Which is the first pronoun here? The first pronoun is we. We is in a which form? We is in a plural form. Okay, third one, she knows me. Here you can find two pronouns. One is a she, another one is a me. She is a which person? She is a third person. Me is in a plural form. It is in a which one? Objective. This is my car. Okay, my is in which form? It is in a positive. Objective, subjective or possessive. It is in a which form? Possessive in a singular form. My. It is a, my is a pronoun. It is in a possessive in a singular form. Fifth one, she talked to us. You can see a two pronoun here. One is she, another one is us. She is a third person. Us is a first person in a objectives plural form. The house is ours. Here ours is a pronoun. It is in a which form? Possessive form in a plural. You are a doctor. You is a pronoun. This is your camera. Children, I am not explaining briefly now. I am only underlining the pronoun here. Your is a pronoun. Next, he is a good boy. He is a pronoun. They are rich. They are the pronoun. What is, that is her book. Her is a pronoun. This is his book. His is a pronoun. This book is mine. Mine is a pronoun. It comes in a possessive. Keep in your mind, it comes in your possessive in a singular form. It raining. It is a pronoun in a third person. It is raining. It is which is its form? Its form is in a possessive. In a which form? It is in a singular form. These are the examples for the pronoun. If further, if you want, means that if you view the chart once again, you will get these all words, how to solve the sentences using the pronouns. The videos. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Be watching the video. Be safe, be healthy. It is signing from me.